Hello. Everybody's hungry. Let's make some food. It's real easy tonight. Let me show you what we got. Well, I'm not too fond of salads for dinner, but this is Mrs. Chef's idea. So we're going to go ahead with that. So, what do I got? Well, I got a pan full of oil. How do you make a salad with that? Good question. I got a couple of cloves of, yes, I did it. I smashed the garlic. And now I'm frying the garlic in way too much oil. Yes, it is that classic French technique, or Italian technique, depending upon who you talk to, of creating a very flavorful oil without burning the garlic. I don't like smashing garlic. I'm sorry, I just don't. But it works sometimes. Now, what are we going to do with that oil? We're going to fry up some bread. Yeah. A little bit of French bread there, cut into bits, pieces. Sounds kind of like croutons, but bigger. And yeah, fried bread. Oh, we're Irish tonight. Yeah, we are. Okay, strong smell of garlic in here. Somehow, what a surprise, right? And lots of oil in the pan. In fact, quite honestly, too much oil. But it'll be perfect when the time comes. Okay, that garlic is sizzling and slowly getting ready to turn brown. So what else have I got? Well, I got a pint of cherry tomatoes, cut in half and salted. And I got a shallot, cut to bits, and it's not going to show up here. Oh, there it is. Soaking in a mix of balsamic vinegar and red wine vinegar. I like a little extra balsamic. You may not, so whichever turns you on. Oh yeah. I got a can of Cannellini beans that I've been draining. Now that I've shown you, of course they won't go back where I had them. And a boatload of washed arugula. A little Parmesan, of course. Oh yeah. Alright, let's get that garlic out of there. It's starting to burn, or pardon me, brown. And once it does that, it'll become bitter. Yes, that is one thing about smashing garlic. It becomes much easier to remove from the pan if you don't smash it too hard. There we go. Oh, there we go, finally. Okay, so I have a pan full of hot garlic oil. Very strongly flavored. And some bread that needs some flavoring. So let's do that Irish thing and fry up some bread. Or that French thing and make some croutons. Or that whatever thing and just fry up some bread. Yeah, I don't love that more than oxygen. So, shallots in vinegar. Usually when you make a salad dressing with shallots, you saute them, get the flavor into the oil. I came across this and it sounded intriguing. I am, of course, going to use a little bit of French mustard. Nope, not gray Poupon. Okay, my bread is talking to me. or specifically talking to my nose. Oh. Oh, yes. So we're making some very garlicky croutons. Very big croutons, too. Oh. So, a little French style mustard, and now how about some olive oil? And yeah, that's it. You can add a little salt, you can add a little pepper. Stir, stir, stir. Oh, watch me stir from behind. How's this going? I love it. Okay, my bread is done. Yeah, croutons. They're that easy. Let's get those things out of there before they burn, huh? Oh, and toasted garlic. No love of that, right? Actually, my bread's a little rare. Let's put that back on the stove a bit. Which gives me more time to stir my salad dressing. So the French mustard acts as an emulsifier, as well as salt, making the dressing come out much more smoothly. And it's delightful. That actually could use a little pepper, come to think of it. Oh. Yes, we're preparing for quite a storm here. Lesson number 1, never forget to enjoy chef's privilege, which gives you the opportunity to eat things like extra toasted garlic, if you like that. So here's a perfect example. That was white, of course, now it's toasted. It's infused with garlic oil. And so when it comes to being with a salad, that's going to be magnificent. So, how exciting was that? Oh. So, I got croutons, I got arugula, I got beans, then I got salad dressing, I got tomatoes, and I got Parmesan. Yeah, dinner. It is occasionally that simple. I'm going to combine the arugula, the beans, the tomatoes, salad dressing, croutons, and Parmesan, all in a glass bowl, serve it for dinner. Actually, I think I'll leave the croutons on the side. They're kind of big and easier eating on their own. So that's it. Dinner tonight. Just arugula that I washed, even though it was pre-washed, with tomatoes, Parmesan, cannellini beans that I drained, and a simple salad dressing of shallots soaked in balsamic and red wine vinegar, and then mix with a little French style mustard and oil and a little pepper for good luck. So, simple dinner. This is social media. Please be good social citizens and subscribe, like, and share, and all of that good stuff too. Thanks. Goodbye.